India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Garbage collection rupa 1% bin dustbin dispon bazaran and especially public places poi kam kansale hoinge ahai 1% dispon bana rastar je sogle rastar me kansale arosi कोयले हुंच्या रस्त्यार चले अख्खी रस्त्याचेर अजून पासून गार्बेज दिसपडटा.
आमच्या कांसावले बाजारान आमकां एक टॉयलेट ना. कोण बाजारान आमचे नुस्तेकारां बसली व्हेजिटेबल कोण बसली तांकां वचोंक टॉयलेट ना. शॉपकीपर आहा तांकां टॉयलेट ना. हे टॉयलेट आमकां जावंकूच जाय आसलो कांसावलेच्या बाजारान. पूण हे येवचे पयले आमकां एक अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम जावं. दुसरें नो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट मायग्रंट्सांक कोणाक तुमी भाड्याक दवरता तांकां इन्स्पेक्शन जावंक जाय. तेंची गार्बेज खंय पडटा ती पळोवंक जाय. हे आमी आयज तांकां सांगलां.
फेज 1 कंप्लीट जायनासतना फेज 2 आमचो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आहा तो सपोर्ट करा म्हणून आमकां सांगपा लागलो. वी टोल्ड देम पयली फेज 1 कंप्लीट कर मागीर फेज 2 वच. वी आर सपोर्टिंग बट ऑल्दो ही वॉन्टेड टू पास दिस वी हॅड अ फियर that the coming new panchayat body may misuse it. हे ग्रामसभेक आमचो एकूच फियर आसलो की हे आमी फेज 2 पास करून घेता ती मिसयूज जायना जावपाक. त्या खातीर आमी हांगासर आमचो ओपोजिशन मांडलेलें.
Today Gram Sabha we have taken the resolution that we want the phase 2 waste management, but the argument was that the first phase was approved, but still not all the things which we were supposed to receive, the panchayat was not received. I just spoke to the sarpanch and he told me out of the 7 lakhs they have got only 2,80,000. Now we cannot blame the panchayat as well. How are they supposed to work with 2,80,000 for such a big village? It's usually happens when they have these mega projects and these buildings where they do not have a system. So they throw their garbage anywhere. It is not the poor people who are throwing the garbage. I found packets of milk, then cold meats, and all the teen stuff. So these are hi-fi people who live in these buildings who are throwing this garbage.